Hey everybody, it's Brent Siekierzycki, broker here with Century 21 in Studio Realty. I'd like to welcome you to my newest listing here at number 70 Lakeland Drive in beautiful Sauble Beach. This unique Bavarian-style chalet offers 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. Best of all is a large corner lot in a park-like setting with natural green space in behind. We're a 5-minute walk to downtown and less than 10 minutes right to the beach. So for more information or to book a private showing, please reach out to me at justcallmebrent.ca.